Millions of people have watched this chicken recipe online, but is it really that good? Today, we're making it from scratch, and by the end, you'll know whether it's worth all the hype. Hi everyone, welcome back to Global Flavors. Today we're making one of the crispiest chicken recipes on the internet, and I'll show you every little trick that makes it irresistible. Stay with me.
For this recipe, we need simple ingredients. Nothing fancy today. Just everyday ingredients working together to create something unforgettable.
The biggest mistake people make is seasoning only the coating. Great chicken starts underneath. Now we wait. For a few minutes, allow every bite to absorb the seasonings. Here's the trick. Coat in flour, eggs, and back into flour. Don't rush perfection. Crispy chicken is all about patience. Now this is where the magic begins. Now cost every chicken very well. Now take it out. Wow, that crunch is incredible. The chicken is juicy, the garlic is rich, and the honey balances everything perfectly. I finally understand why the internet loves this recipe. If this recipe made you hungry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves crispy chicken. Tell me in the comments, would you keep it sweet or add some spice? See you next time!